We've all heard of Badr, Uhud, and even Tabuk.
But have you ever been taught the actual sequence of these events? How many Ghazwat did the Prophet ﷺ really take part in? Did he fight in all of them or only some? Which ones were the major turning points of his life? And what about the groups he sent for missions but did not go himself? What are those called? Stick till the end, because in this series, we're breaking it all down step by step. And at the end of the series, there will be a quiz to revise everything and strengthen your understanding. So grab a notebook, maybe even a cup of tea. Let's begin.
Now, before we jump into the battles, we need to understand a few key terms, because without this, the whole timeline won't make sense. First, what is a Ghazwa? Ghazwat are military operations in which the Prophet ﷺ personally participated, whether fighting occurred or not. In his lifetime, he took part in around 27 Ghazwat. Some of the most well-known include Badr, Uhud, Al-Khandaq, Qurayza, Al-Mustaliq, Khaybar, Al-Fath, Hunain, and Taif. And here's something important. These Ghazwat were not random events. They followed a clear timeline, from early struggles in Medina to major turning points to eventual victory. Second, what is a Sariyyah? Sariyyah is the kind of battles in which the Prophet ﷺ sent a group led by one of the companions, but he ﷺ did not participate in them. And these were more in number than the Ghazawat, over 50 expeditions. Now, here's what most people don't realize. All the Ghazawat and Sariyyah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's life happened after the Hijrah, and they took place within about 10 years. There were no Ghazawat before Hijrah because the Muslim community had not yet formed a political state in Medina. Everything military organizational happened during the Medinan period. And now that you understand the foundation, in the next part, we'll start with the major Ghazawat, one by one in sequence. And the first one is not just a battle. It marked a major turning point in this story. See you in part 2.